So we can get alarms. We have got limiters over here. But this is what I'm talking about, engine control room.
The following video is a part of the Achiever package in case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like Purifier ALCAP explanation, main engine under piston, ECR crane operation, flow meter, engine room round, etc. Find the link of the Achiever package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
Hi friends, Jai Mata Di. Hope you all are doing fine. Well guys, to be very honest, you guys have seen me in my last video where I have taken an engine room round of a bulk carrier. Well, with the grace of Mata Rani God, I got to sail on a tanker, and this video that I am making right now is on a tanker when we are at anchorage and the engine is not running, the noise is not there, and I have got a new boiler suit guys, as you can see over here, and a lot of beard so that I can look a bit older. As you guys know, अगर मैं अपनी beard हटा दूँ, I look very young. Sometimes people mistake me as a fourth engineer, even as a junior engineer at times. So I have to do that. Well guys, when I talk about an engine room round, most of the things as an engineer remain the same. So as you can see, on my last ship, I had told you about that I'll come and check all the parameters of main engine, of the pumps running over here. Which pump is running? Are they on auto or are they not on standby over here? I'll check them. The same thing. I'll check the 440 volt insulation over here. One and the same thing. Which generator is running? Right now, number 3 generator is not running. Number 1 and number 2 generators are running. So this is I'm going to check. Similarly, I'm going to check the amperages of all the pumps. Right guys? Now, so whether I'm sailing on a bulk carrier or on a tanker, the first thing remains the same. Copied guys? Now, let me come over here on the main control panel. This is the Karma Bhumi that we have got, which helps us all the time. So guys, over here we have got this Doppler lock fitted over here, which tells us the ship speed and everything over here. So this was fitted on a bulk carrier as well. We have got a fire alarm repeater panel. In case if there is a fire alarm, you will get an alarm in engine room. Apart from that, in the emergency headquarters. Apart from that, on bridge as well. So this is a repeater panel. Repeat karta hai. So it is a panel fitted over here as well as on bridge. So we have got a fire alarm over here, fire panel. Then this is something new which we did not have on my last ship. That is ship performance monitoring. So we get shaft power over here. Copied guys? How we calculate, that's a different thing that comes into technical base, that we'll tell later. But every day we take a parameter from here and we get how much power has been developed by the engine. That is the shaft horsepower. This is ICCP. Presently we have kept it switched off. So ICCP forward and aft. It was on my last ship as well. So whether it's a bulk carrier or a tanker, you have got ICCP system. Similar steering gear panel was on my last ship. Similar on this ship. So whether a bulk carrier or tanker, again it remains the same. Same workstations guys, where I can see all my main engine, generators, all parameters over here. Any alarm I can view over here. Which pump is standby, which pump is not standby, I can get over here guys. So the same thing remains over here. You can check all the parameters, everything over here. So this is something which we are used to as engineers. It is somewhere down the line all the same. Okay guys, so we have talked about the monitoring panel. So now I hope you guys remember that I had talked about that there are so many pressure gauges fitted on the bottom platform, this platform, that platform. And as an engineer, I want to make my life easy, right? So what we have done is all those pressures which we see down below on the 4th platform, bottom platform, we can see also over here because of the help of electronics. Those are called pressure transmitters. So over here I can see main engine lube oil pressure, main engine starting air pressure, main engine cooling air, cooling fresh water inlet pressures. We can see those pressures over here. And guys, this is common. This is common. This stays common whether it's a bulk carrier or a tanker. Similarly, what is the main engine RPM? What is the fuel pump index? What is the turbocharger RPM guys? What is the rudder angle indicator? Common guys. Lube oil temperature controller, main engine jacket water temperature controller, LT temperature controller, main engine viscosity, generator viscosity controller. All these are common guys. Now, when I talk about main engine, the Earlier video that I had made was on an electronic engines, ME engines, latest ship, latest trend. This is that I'm sailing on is a 12-year-old tanker. It's a Chinese ship, so challenges are there. But this is a MA and BMW engines. This is not an electronic engines. So over here we have got this panel over here, which acts as a governor controlling system, which controls everything over here. Come let me show you guys. So over here you can see over here. So guys, over here, so we can get alarms. We have got limiters over here. We have got a load up program, I can discuss later. We have got limiters. What is a torque limiter, scavenge limiter, manual fuel limiter, all these over here. Then we have got some curves. Show them the limiters. Copy it, guys. Control position, whether in bridge, ECR or local. Suppose I want to see engine data over here. This is the VIT system over here, fitted over here. All the settings are over here. What is VIT system? Is variable injection timing. I hope you guys remember, right? So in a nutshell, guys, all I want to say is that this is a MA and BMW engine fitted with a VIT system, and this is the memory. This is the one which is controlling the governor, my main engine, everything. Well, I'm definitely going to get into details of the system later on. This is my telegraph, remains same. So in electronic engines, as you had seen earlier, there are two monitoring screens over here which control everything. Over here, this is being controlled by this system over here. Now, okay, guys, when I talk about a bulk carrier and tanker, the major difference lies between boilers. On a bulk carrier, we have got a smoke tube boiler and normally only one. But when I talk about tanker, where we need to run, especially an Aframax tanker, where we're using, which is a crude oil tanker, where we have to drive turbines, COPTs, crude oil, cargo oil pump turbines, we need boilers, big boilers, not just one but two boilers. And these are water tube boilers because we need more amount of steam to be produced. Right, guys? So now over here we have got this boiler panel over here. So we can see that we have got two boilers fitted over here, boiler number 1 and boiler number 2. And these boilers, I'll show you later outside, these are water tube boilers, guys. Apart from that, I can see from this screen in engine control room what is happening with my boilers, what is going wrong, right, how much is the load, whether my boiler is firing properly or not. So guys, this is, from this screen we can come to know all we want to know about boilers over here itself. Complete automation. Any problems, we'll find out all over here. Anything going wrong, that I'll discuss later on. Apart from that, guys, you can see a lot of gauges fitted over here. Can you see these gauges? Number 1 cargo oil pump suction, number 1 cargo oil pump RPM, number 1 COP discharge, number 1 COP steam turbine pressure. So guys, from here itself we get an idea कि COP जो cargo oil pump उसका suction pressure is how much, cargo oil pump turbine is running at which RPM, cargo oil pump discharge pressure is how much is the steam chest pressure inside, मतलब how much is the valve open and how much is the steam inside the COP turbine. So guys, accordingly for number 2, accordingly for number 3, accordingly for stripper pump over here. So that is something that we'll discuss later, how a COP turbine works, what all things need to be taken care of. But these are other gauges given over here. So when discharging is taking place, we can get a lot amount of idea from here itself what is happening where. First thing. Apart from that, we have got all the boiler things given over here. Like boiler steam pressure is over here, how much is the boiler water level, how much is the boiler temperature, how much is the boiler pressure, how much is the boiler number 2 pressure and level, how much is the exhaust gas inlet temperature, outlet temperature, differential pressure. These are bunker tank, how much is the level of oil in which bunker tank it is going over here. Now, one more thing. So we have discussed about boiler system. We have said about COP turbines that is fitted, which I'm going to show in the engine room now. Apart from that, another thing is inert gas system panel, which I'm definitely going to discuss later. But this is my IGS system panel fitted over here, from where we give inert gas to the tanks over there while we are discharging. Copy it, guys? What is the purpose? Why we do that? That is a complete different scenario. But this is what I'm talking about, engine control room. This is the inert gas control system, where we can see how much is the IG fan outlet temperature, We can see how much is the IG pressure over in the deck line and what is the IG fan outlet temperature over it.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, check out this playlist on the screen and find the link of the Achievers package in the description box below. Thank you.